There are lots of rumors circulating about the development of a new Apple iPhone 17 Slim, suggesting that Apple is working on its first folding phone. Rumored to be named the iPhone Ultra, this device is expected to feature a radically different design compared to its predecessors, with a focus on slimness, compactness, and possibly a foldable form factor. Let us take a closer look at all the leaked information and rumors circulating the design and launch of the new iPhone 17 Slim. iPhone 17 Slim could be Apple's first foldable phone, potentially named iPhone Ultra. Expected to feature a thinner design, smaller display, and lower specs compared to high-end models. Speculation suggests iPhone 17 Slim might actually be the iPhone Ultra, indicating a major design shift. Initial Ultra leaks suggested a new model alongside the Pro Max, not replacing it. Upcoming iPhone 16 Pro models will have larger displays, hinting at future trends. iPhone 17 Slim Ultra may feature a major redesign, including a central rear camera. Expected specifications include a dual rear camera, aluminum chassis, and 8 GB of RAM. Thin design and smaller display size support the foldable phone theory. Likely to be the most expensive model, focusing on the foldable feature rather than top specs. iPhone 17 Slim Ultra would cater to early adopters and tech enthusiasts. Innovative features and premium build quality would make it a standout device in the high-end market. So these are some design rumors which we are expecting to be true, but can't say that these are 100% correct. For more information about iPhone 17 series, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one.